My name is Jerad, and I have been with RVi for 10 years. I'm a musician, and I love to play piano. I lead worship at our church, and I love going on hikes and adventures with my kids and my wife. I guess the one thing I'd want customers to know is they don't get to see all the people here or talk to them if they ever call into support. Each one of them cares that that the customer has a great experience. It's something we talk a lot about, and they're customers of products too. We're customers of products. They really want the customer to have a great experience. When they hear that they didn't, it really bums them out. We have a culture here of making things better and doing things innovatively, and we like to do it together. So I think the people, that's my favorite part.